train. Yeah. Hello. I'm on the train. And, well, I'm the only one here. Behind me. This is what's in front of me, nothing much here. So, nice peaceful little train ride. It's sunny outside, you can see it over here. Too much sun. We have a thing while at school today, which is pretty cool. Yeah. I suck at vlogging. I should make a vlogging channel. So, I've actually got a hotspot tethered to from the phone here. But there's a little problem to that exclamation mark. I'm not sure if you can. That exclamation mark is basically, that's what it means. Mobile networks is off, right? So I turn the mobile networks on, not do that. If I turn mobile networks on here, still got an exclamation mark, right? But mobile networks is on, so it can't be mobile networks, right? So I go in, mobile networks come out, and oh, it's off. That's the way I fix it. I just give it a nice reboot. And it should work, but it doesn't. It'll work for like half an hour, which is alright. I mean, half an hour is good enough. It's good. Pretty much all I need to get out of. I dropped my phone. You guys want to close really on that. Yeah, I know. So, there's nothing much interesting that happens in my life, and I really don't know how vloggers can just ramble about stuff like 10 minutes that's going on in their life. I don't even know. Yeah, there's not much, to be honest. Just like, that's pretty boring. I mean, that's all I've really seen for like a while. And then on the other side, there's like suburban houses. I'm not even sure if you can see them. I can't even see them. They're there, see? There's my school bag there. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, so like, it's just, it's been fun. That's actually charred wood over there that I am keeping an eye on there. So, it's resting. Moment of truth. Does it work? Does it work? Does it work? No service. Well, I've unlocked the phone. Oh, hello. There we go. Oh, it's not normally like this. It's just weird. Generally, this does this half an hour after waking up. Huh. So, let's check this out. Yeah, alright, you don't need to see my data usage. It's all on Google Play, by the way. If I download apps or not. Because I only use my phone on an app. And that says it. Yep, we've got the exclamation mark. Mobile networks is not. You need to wait for device control to pop up. Say hello. So this is what I deal with on a daily basis, and I can barely ever get a phone call through. It's quite annoying. So I take a little bit of time to show you this. It's the LG G Watch. It's pretty cool if you ask me. It's got an always on screen, that's why you can see that it's black right now when it turns on. So we've got, I've done 0 minutes exercise, so I've probably done like not even a minute yet. It's got weather details for me, so it's 15 degrees, which is quite nice actually. more with that. I've also got some stock, so I got Apple, Microsoft, and McDonald's stock. Yeah, and I don't have any apps on here really. I've got Coffee, which is a texting app, and I've also got no, but everything else is normal. So yeah. Look at chat's level. So bad, chat.